unit is about can and can't. For example, I can play cards. Let's look at it again. It's raining and Zach and Daniela have nothing to do. Listen to them.
I'm bored. Let's do something.
OK, can you play cards?
No, I can't. Sorry.
Don't worry, I can teach you.
Daniela asks, can you play cards? We use can to ask about things people know how to do. Zach answers, no, I can't. He doesn't know how to play cards. Daniela says, I can teach you. We use can to talk about things we know how to do. Look at a table with can and can't. For all people, we use can or can't, and the other verb doesn't change. For example, we say, she can cook, not she cans cook, or she can cooks. We say, you can't swim well. We can also say, you cannot swim well. Can't is the same as cannot. In questions, we say, can you sing? Not, do you can sing? Or, you can sing? In short answers, we say, yes, I can, or no, I can't. Not, yes, I can sing, or no, I can't sing. You can go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no. That's correct. We say, James can cook, and can you dance well? Well done.